How to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. This tutorial shows you how to set it up so viewers can tap through directly. First, open YouTube Studio on your computer. From there, tap Content on the left sidebar. After that, select the video you want to edit. At this point, scroll down to the description box. Following this, click into the description and type or paste the URL you want to include. Before this link actually works, there's a setting worth checking first. From here, make sure your channel is verified for advanced features, since external links and descriptions won't function properly without that verification. At this stage, if you haven't verified yet, head to your channel settings and complete phone verification there before continuing. Following this, once verified, go back to your video's description and confirm the link appears clickable rather than just plain text. From here, click Save at the top right to apply the changes. That's how you add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!